Walmart is one of the largest retailers in the world, and I share my deep respects for a business of this size, setting an example for promoting sustainable initiatives. For that, I would like to thank entire Walmart team.
Congratulations to San Antonio and to Beyond Green on the ribbon cutting of this new facility, and we look forward to seeing the significant impact this investment will have on the community and the state for generations to come.
I love the way they're innovatively approaching materials and science all together to create a product that's better for consumers, and it's made here in San Antonio.
At Walmart, we're always looking for new customer solutions and thinking about expanding our assortment to meet their needs. And that, coupled with our regenerative journey, led us to look for more and more solutions. So we had a chance to meet beyondGREEN at Open Call, and they had a compostable solution in the trash bag space. Through discussions, we found a mutual benefit that we thought we could co-develop for customers in the disposable cutlery space to reduce single-use plastics and have a compostable solution available at affordable prices for our customers.
So today we're here to see the first production of compostable cutlery that will go in over 1,000 of our stores. I'm very excited about this launch, very excited it came through Open Call, and that it supports our U.S. manufacturing initiative.
You know, these jobs that you're creating are about more than just the single job. You are changing the lives of your employees, the lives of their families. And when you think about it, impacting the planet through your mission of reducing traditional single-use plastic.
It's great to see the support of local economies plus science, technology, innovation all put together, started by Open Call. You know, for the people that are thinking about starting something or you have an idea, you know, go chase your dream. It's better to go see if it's possible. And one small idea, one small business can turn into something pretty marvelous if you really stay after it.